Happy New Week, guys. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, so yesterday I did not do anything yesterday. I just tried to study yesterday. So I said I took a break last week. I said I was going to use the break to study my past trades, reevaluate, and all of that. But honestly, I have been very slow with it. So it took me I used for a whole 1 week. I've just been going back and forth. I don't know, too much structure. I just finished the reevaluating the whole trades today, which is Tuesday. I just finished it today this morning. Yeah, it's a lot deeper than that, but I can't really share all of it right now. And it's so let's get the week started. So I'll be sharing with you all the things I was able to get from my reevaluation of my past trades, what I'll be changing, the new things I'll be imputing, the mindset shift, the psychological shift, the technical shift. I'll be sharing all of these in this weekly vlog along the day, maybe today, tomorrow, whatever. But let's go. I go on Twitter every day and I see people posting different charts, different wins, and as you know, you're always gonna see wins on X, on Twitter. People are gonna continue posting wins. Many people post less of their losses, but once they take a win, they can post it out. So, but I'm not looking at that. What I look at when I look at somebody I respect very well in this trading space, well accomplished, profitable over the years, he does not he doesn't take so many trades in a month. Doesn't take. Last month he took about 5 trades alone, and he was more profitable than somebody that probably took 20 trades, 30 trades. So don't be bothered. I've learned not to be bothered about other people's wins, because I also know that people will only show you the highlights. Nobody shows the complete context. People always gonna want to post their wins, and which is fine, which is good, yeah. But know that this trading is a lonely thing. It's something that is personal and individual. It's an individual-based business. So let's focusing on my growth, focusing on myself, and when I'm ready to get to the market, I'm gonna get to the market. Right now, focus is on me, only me alone. Hey guys, what up? So, as I said, I want to give you the results and everything I was able to deduce or gather from my data after the reevaluation of all the trades I took in the past 3 months. So I only evaluated around 20. Let's see, let me check it. So I wrote everything down in this book, right? So I was able to do 18 trades. Yeah, 18 trades. Yeah. So after evaluating these trades, I was able to prepare a new trading plan, one that I think is a lot more better than, and it gives me that rule. Is a rule-based trading plan, sha. So things I was able to deduce from all of the 18 trades was: number one, most of my losses came from execution errors. So I was executing wrongly. So that is why whenever I don't usually think about whenever I'm in a, maybe the trader is in a drawdown or you're in a losing streak, the first thing that comes to my mind is not strategy. Oh, strategy is bad. Is that what most beginners think? Oh, the strategy is not good, change the strategy. You get to a point where you know that strategy is not a problem when it comes to trading, because every strategy works. It's just the person behind the charts that will make it work, right? So, as I said, most of my losses came from bad execution. And when I say execution, what I really mean is I was not sticking to a definite rules or a defined set of rules. I was not following a set of rules. For example, there are trades where I use order blocks, unmitigated order blocks as POI, and there are some trades where I do not use it. I don't even know I took them. I just probably maybe just feel like, oh, price is in a discount zone, then you should move. I just set my order, look for maybe a FEG, just take it. Now sometimes if I don't see the order block on 4 hour, I go to 1 hour. And then if I don't see it on 1 hour, I go to 30 minutes. You can see that's overfitting. And also, apart from and again, when we talk about execution, is like you forcing a trade. You know that this setup is not an A+ setup, or it's not a setup that you should take, but you are taking it because it respects part of your plan, and you feel like, oh, everybody's on it, or you feel like the market is pumping up, then you don't want to miss out, so you just FOMO in and enter as part of bad execution. You are following your strategy, but you are not following your strategy to the T. You are not executing your strategy correctly, and that's what made up all my 9 losses that I took in the month of March. So, and one other thing is that trading is subjective, as we know, very subjective, because we are not robots. We are actually humans, and the way we think is different. The way I see a break of structure is different from the way another person will see a break of structure. So, because of that reason, we need to have defined rules and defined set of plans, right? And one of those plans that I put in place is to write out the things I must see before I take a trade. And they are very simple, which is having an unmitigated order block, taking majorly continuation trades. My POIs should come from 1 hour, 2 hour, or the 4 hour. No overfitting. For now, and I was able to deduce that taking second entries, like second positions, was probably affecting me. So for this new trading plan, I'm no more taking any second positions. I'm only taking 1 position per trade idea. That's it. And again, one other thing I wrote here is, don't assume or start a reversal from the higher time frame. So stick with the ongoing trend until proven otherwise. So this is also one thing I did during all my trades in the past 3 months, which is trying to start a reversal. Going to the higher time frame and picking out levels and be like, oh, if price gets here, then we're going to be buying. So you're trying to start it. You are predicting what price to do instead of you to react to what price is supposed to do. You get. So we're not doing that anymore. Yeah. So we're going to follow the ongoing trend until I'm proving otherwise that, oh, prices has changed direction. And again, another thing I put here is, don't enter 2 correlated trades. You cannot stomach their losses. It hurts more. In March, I took 2 correlated trades, BTC USD, Ethereum USD, and I lost 2% on it. If I'd stuck to just one position, maybe just 1 trade, I would have just lost 1%. You know, all these things, they accumulate together, all these mistakes here and there. Before you know it, you have 10 losing streak, 20 losing streak. You have a fat ass loss on your MT5 history. But then, thanks to risk management, I didn't lose more than the 9, 7. I'm on my account. I'm even down. I'm down at -6%. Yeah, one account I think on the 3 accounts -6%. Yeah, but I took 9 losses in March. I won 1 trade, so technically, and that trade I won was 2R. So technically, I'm down -7%. But on the account, I'm down -6%, right? Yeah. Another thing I put down there, which is a confirmed tradable range, is one that gets to the discount zone before making a new high in the bullish zone. That one is technicals. You might not understand, but I do understand. So, in conclusion, this month of April, we are following definite rules, definite plan, so as to achieve a definite purpose and the definite goals of getting profitable and getting payouts and getting funded, right? But as I said, failure is just an event. does not define me, it does not define you that are watching me. Failure, I failed in March, I failed to get a payout, I hit a losing streak. But those losses, those failures helped me to learn, try to look into my system and learn better, to also get better, so that the upcoming months I'm gonna do exceptionally well. And it is ever gonna be, it's gonna be a continuous process of getting better. Yeah. So in April, we continue. And one other thing I also would do that I was not doing before, after every trade, I'm gonna ASR the trade, like Anna Forret to say, ASR, ASR it, ASR it, ASR it. I'm gonna ASR every damn trade. I'm gonna take my trading very seriously. Yeah, I forgot to add. There's one thing that is very important if you want to be profitable, and I discovered it during this my evaluation. It is called selectivity. You being able to select your trades. Yeah, not taking everything, but selecting the highest probable trade that fits your trading plan. 100%. If you don't see it, you don't take it. Yes. If you remember, Kevin Talent, you will know him as a popular trader on Twitter. He took only 5 trades in the month of March. That's a profitable trader. Me, an unprofitable trader, I took 10 trades. But it's not really about the number of trades, right? But what does that say about his trading? It means that there were opportunities that he did not take, the opportunities that he let go. And that what makes you profitable, because you are not trying to jump on everything. Me, in March, I wanted to jump on everything. I wanted to not miss anything. And you see where it got me to. And that's why, because I was not following my trading plan. I didn't have a trading plan. It's good for you to have some failures and some losses, so you could get sense. I don't get sense now. So that's basically everything I was able to deduce from this evaluation, and I'm happy I'm able to get that. And moving forward, I'll be very picky, and not picky, and I'm not talking about having too many confirmations before I take a trade. No. Like, select my trades and make sure I'm executing it correctly. That's the thing. So this month I'm looking I'm looking forward to executing correctly, not taking wins or multiple wins. My focus is to execute correctly, because every win is a byproduct of that. So my focus is that, and that's what I can control. I cannot control the outcome. I cannot control whether I'm going to win or whether come out profitable this month or not. What I can control is my execution, and I'm going to try to do that very well, 100%. Hey, yeah, man. Hey guys, what's up? So today's Thursday, and I've been able to get in on one trade set up on that's USD JPY. I'll show you the trade in a bit. It's moving well, and as you know, I'm now following a set of rules in trading my setups right now. So quality over quantity. So I will show you the setups I have taken and the ones I have pending that I want to take. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is the trade I'm in. Let me go there. Let's go to USJPY. As you can see, there's a trade set up. So enter from this order block. Price tapping my order block is going. So we are going for about a 1 to 4x to reward, and price is almost at 1 to 2. So let's see how it goes. And that's the trade I have running. So these are the other trades other setup that looks very well. I have one on Ethereum. I have one on Eurosoil. I have one on Euro USD, $0, and I have one on GBP AUD. As you can see, it's on GBP AUD. Yeah, and I have one on NZD CHF. So you can see I have one on NZD CHF. I have one on JPN 225. So these are the trades I have pending, setups I have pending that I will take during the course of this week to next week. Yeah.